my childhood, I am a backbencher. You have to face the struggle. Your struggle is not the failure. Your struggle is the strength.
Money and possessions don't last. What endures is the legacy you leave behind. These words from his father transformed Ashok Kumar Sen's life. From a mischievous village boy to a visionary designer who loved working in the engineering design department, Ashok founded TASA Micro SPM with a mission to provide solutions as import substitutes.
I started my career in 1975 from MSD Escort Limited, and I have worked there for 25 years. And in the whole 25 years, I work in design only. Whenever management asks for the changes, I put my paper, because I will not change my department. It is the grace of God, I always remain to the design department.
Today, it has become one of Asia's largest broaching solutions providers.
I am 74. In 74, why are you working? Many can listen. In your family, how many children you have? How many person in your family? No, 5%. My family is having 100,000%. I have to look after them.
Ashok Kumar Sen has always believed in one simple philosophy: before he closes his eyes, he must give back good engineering to his country. That purpose drives him even today. At 74, he still comes to the office to take care of his extended family and also his passion towards engineering design and to his country.